Okay guys, today is jib crane installation. We just cut the guardrail up here. This is our pocket that the jib crane slides on top of. It's got these little bearings. And this itself is the jib crane. Good heavy duty. My dad made this up. We got a bit of a gusset and it is this tall. So it's gonna go about here in that pocket so that it can swing with this box into my truck. So that's kind of the plan. We're gonna go ahead and try it out and see how it goes. So stay tuned. Okay guys, pocket is almost in. Got to pound in one more anchor here, and then we are gonna put the jib crane in. Okay, so the mount is on. This is the crane. It's 3-inch steel pipe. We got some strong back here, and we got a gusset here. Then under this towel, this is like the rail system for the winch itself. And I assume this is for the cable, no? Oh, okay. So that's so we can pull it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull my truck up to here so we get a little extra height, and we're gonna drop it into our pocket here. So that's what we're up to.
Can I sit on the ladder? Can I sit on top of the ladder? Like sit here?
Concrete fears.
I don't want to go through my shoes, Mark.
This is a good.
Jib crane is installed. Just got to attach the winch to it. My dad's up there on the back of the truck. And so that's what we're going to do next. We're going to throw the winch on and we're going to give this a little test run. Winch is on. I just got to finish bolting it in here. Then we're going to do the 2-part cable here. We'll set that up. Emily's running power and we're going to try this thing out. Okay. Jib crane mounted. Oh, here we go. Winch is going. Okay, so the crate didn't work out so well. It's just too encumbersome and too heavy. We got right now a plastic bin right now, and we're gonna try that. And if that works, then I will buy something a little bit more permanent. But here we go. Beautiful. That works pretty good. Now you can grab the rope and you can swing it in the driveway. There will probably be a demo bin here, and you can just throw it all in the bin. But we'll get something. The container will get a little bit better. We'll do something a little bit better, but that worked pretty good.
I mean, is it perfect? Probably not.
But
get the job done.
Better than slugging buckets of concrete up.
I know.
Hey, bye. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one.